Welcome to our channel. Today we draw and color a cat. Draw a round head. Draw kitten's cute eyes. Drawing a little nose, mouth, cheek blush, kitten's eyebrows, whiskers on both sides. Now the cat's ears. And tiger stripes on the forehead. Now for the body of the kitten. 2 curly brackets, small brackets, flesh footpad. Drawing the cat's paws. Drawing the cat's hind legs. Cat's right leg. Now for the kitty's tail. Add the cute lines. Then let's draw a cat collar. Vertical stripes. Cute big bells. Now a simple pattern is complete. Let's start tracing and adding questions. That's great. Now let's get some color. Bright yellow. Orange. Yellow. Rose. Orange red. Yellow. Orange. Green. Purple. Rose. Bright yellow, brown, pink, flesh color, pink, blue eyes. Our work is done. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.